Let us write an algorithm to reverse the digits of a number. So how to understand this the problem? First we have to understand the problem given to us. So what I am doing is, suppose a number is given to me like this, 2305. This is a number given to me. I am supposed to reverse this number. That means the digits will be reversed from right to left. I am taking the digits, something like this. Say after executing my program, I should get this type of result. So 5, 0, 3, 2. That means when you have been given 2305, you should get 5032. So this is the reversed number of this. That means when you reverse this, you will get this. So what is the logic here? If I wanted to get this reversed number, so what is the logic I have to use? So it's very simple logic is there. The first step what I have to do is, I have to extract this rightmost digit and I have to display that so that I will have this rightmost digit in my output. So the step I have to do first of all is extract rightmost digit from the number and then display that digit. So I am extracting, suppose the given number is 2305, I am extracting 5 from the number and displaying that 5 in the output as output. Next what I have to do is, I have to remove this number permanently. I have to remove this number permanently from this, that means this digit I have to remove permanently from this number. That means that 5 will not be there. So how can I remove this rightmost digit from the number? So for this purpose what I do, okay, the next one is remove the rightmost digit. Okay, I have removed the rightmost digit. Here what happens? Again same thing will happen. Extract now the next rightmost digit. That means 0 I have to extract and display that in the output. So display it. Then remove the rightmost digit from the number. That means I am supposed to remove this rightmost digit 0. Next, again I will repeat these 3 steps. Extract the rightmost digit, that is 3, and then display that in the output. And then remove the rightmost digit. So I am removing this 3 also. Then extract the rightmost digit. Only one digit is there, that is 2, that I will extract and I will display that as the last digit in the output. Then remove the rightmost digit. So if I am removing this rightmost digit, that number is not available, then I can stop. So that means if the number is 0 or if the number is not there, no more digits are there in the number, then you can stop this logic. Now the question is, how can I extract the rightmost digit? And how can I display it? How can I remove the rightmost digit? So for this, using these 3 steps, I am going to develop the logic. So the first step in my algorithm is start. The second step is input a number. I am taking this number as num. That means whatever the number is given from the keyboard, that is stored into num. Now we are in the third step. Repeatedly I have to do certain things. In the third step, the first line is extract rightmost digit. That means I have to extract rightmost digit from this number. So how can I get the rightmost digit from this number? Digit I want. So number, I have to divide the number by 10 and take the remainder. That will give me the rightmost digit. See, for example, you have been given 2, 3, 0, 5. So this number, percentage operator, what this percentage operator does is, it will divide this num by 10 and it will give the it will return the result only, or the return the remainder only it will return. So 2305 divided by 10, and what is the remainder? See, when you divide this by 10, it will go 230 times. So 2300, that means this is what you have to subtract, and the remainder will be 5. So this is a remainder. That means rightmost digit is coming as a remainder. So that is what you want. So the logic here is how to extract the rightmost digit means divide the given number by 10 and take the remainder. That will give you the rightmost digit. Then display that rightmost digit. Okay, so I can take this as I can write it as print digit. That is the rightmost digit I am displaying. The next step is I have to remove the rightmost digit from the number. That means this 5 I have to remove from the number. So what is the logic for this purpose? See, suppose your number is 2305 and you want to permanently delete the rightmost digit 5. So what you have to do is divide this number by 10. Now if you divide the number by 10, what you will get is 230.5 you will get. Now take the integer part only. That means this 0.5 you are not taking. What you are taking is this 230 only you take. That means integer part only you take. Then automatically this last 5 is removed. What you are getting is 230 only. This last 5 you will not see in the remaining number. So what is the logic to remove the rightmost digit? To remove the rightmost digit, the logic is something like this. Okay, I can see this number is equal to, you have to divide this number by 10, and whatever the value you are getting, in that you take only integer part. So int of num by 10. So this is what you are supposed to do. Now these 3 steps you have to repeatedly execute inside a while loop. So I'd be writing while loop like this. While, of course I have to repeat these 3 steps till the number becomes 0. That means this is 230. What happens if you you remove this 0, then a 3, then a 2, then you will have 0. So as long as the number not equals 0, repeat. If the number is equal to 0, do not repeat. So I can write something like this. While num not equals 0, then do the following steps. Now please observe our algorithm. See the second step. Input num means you have to accept the number from the keyboard. If num not equals 0, that means if the num is equal to 0, you need not continue this while loop. First extract the digit. So here what I am doing is I am extracting the digit, rightmost digit. So extract rightmost digit. So that is what you are doing here, and then display that digit. So here I am display that digit. So how to extract this rightmost digit number? %10 means divide the number by 10 and take the remainder. That remainder will be the rightmost digit in the number that you are storing into digit, then display the digit. In the next step, what you have to do is you have to permanently remove that rightmost digit from the number. So the third step here is remove rightmost digit from the number. So for this purpose, what I am doing is I am dividing the number by 10, and when I divide like that, I will get some fraction part like 0.5, 0.4 something. That 0.4 I have to eliminate means I have to convert the number into integer. For that purpose, I should use int function. Int function will convert the number into integer, and only integer part is taken, and the remaining fraction part is removed. Now that I am storing again into num. So as long as num is not equal to 0, I will repeat these steps. So what you are doing is extract rightmost digit, display that, and remove the rightmost digit. Extract the next rightmost digit, display, and remove the that rightmost digit. Like this, if you go on removing the digits, number will become 0 finally. So number is 0 means there are no more digits to extract. So then you can stop this while loop and come out. So as long as number not equal to 0, do these steps, and the last step is you can stop here. So this algorithm I want to convert into Python program. To reverse a given number, this is our comment line. Accept the number, integer type number from the keyboard. So I can ask the user to enter a number. That number entered by the user is converted into integer and stored into num. Now we are getting into the third step, while loop. So while, that means as long as number not equals to 0, that means if the number is not equal to 0, then repeat the steps. So I want to extract the digit, so num %10, and this digit I want to display, and then I want to remove that digit, rightmost digit from the number. So num is equal to integer of num by 10. That's it. So this is our program. Let me save this program and run this program. Run module. It is asking me enter a number. I am entering 2305. Now it is showing me 5032, but what it is doing is it is displaying the digits one below the other. Why it is displaying like this? Print function in Python will display the result, and then it will automatically throw the cursor into the next line. So what is happening means first digit 5 is extracted, displayed, next digit 0 is displayed in the next line, again cursor is coming into the next line, there next digit 3 it is displaying, and next digit 2 in the next line. So next lines means vertically it is displaying. So it is not looking like reversing the number. It is displaying the digits one by one. I don't want like this. I want to display the digits in the same line, one after the other, without any gap. I want to display. So for that purpose, what I have to do? See, this print function I have to change slightly. What I have to do is print, display the digit, and after displaying the digit at the end of the line, don't throw the cursor into the next line. And don't display anything. This is a single quote, or you can also write double quote without any space or anything in between. You can write. When you write end is equal to single quote, that means at the end of the line, don't throw the cursor into the next line. Just don't do anything. At the end of the line, display empty string. Empty string means don't throw the cursor into the next line, just display empty string. That means don't display anything. So what happens means at the end of the line, after displaying the digit, it will not throw the cursor into the next line. Now file save. Whenever you make modification to your program, you have to save it and then run module. Again, I am giving the output 2305. So 5032 is the reversed number we got. Similarly, once again I am running this. Enter a number. I can give something like this. More number of digits also I can give, and the number is reversed.